The technology that we developed, we tried everything, by the way. When we started in 2008, we looked at filters and fans. We looked at this type approach. We looked at ionizers. Nothing worked at scale. They're all useful in small areas, outdoors. But what I was looking at is, again, that taxi driver, that rickshaw wala, that auto driver, that shoe cobbler, the person, the lady at the vegetable mandi. This is what we wanted to serve. And the technology that we eventually developed uses pulsed radio waves. Now, basically, it's very simple. Normally, pollutant particles like PM10 and 2.5, what happens to them is because of naturally occurring forces, they collide with each other. And because of now they're larger and heavier, they settle to the ground. All of us saw this during the pandemic when we didn't wash our car or two-wheeler for a couple of days. We had a layer of dust, right?
Yeah.
So this process of this pollutant particles colliding and settling, scientists call dry deposition. What we've done with our pulsed radio technology is pulse the radio waves in such a way that this whole process is just sped up by about 6 to 7-fold. Now, people ask me, well, you're a cardiologist. How did you develop pulsed radio wave technology? And I said, well, see, pulsed radio wave for pollution control has actually been around since 1971, but in water. And we adapted it for air. They said, okay, that's fine, but how did you, as a cardiologist, develop pulse radio wave technology for air? And I said, see, I am a cardiologist. I'm still a cardiologist. And my specialty is MRI scanning of the heart. And how does MRI take those beautiful pictures of the organs that doctors use to diagnose conditions? By using pulsed radio waves. And given that background, that specialty, I was then able to say, okay, if we pulse like this, we can make X, Y, Z happen. And that's how the technology was able to progress. So it was something that I was doing in medicine, very technical, very scientific, but able to then correlate it, or rather translate it into pollution control technology.